I'm lying under a pile of gravel. Only my head is out. I am paralyzed and in pain, to the point that I cannot think clearly or connect. The only thing I can do is sing. While I'm singing, my body turns upside down and faces the ground. The pile of gravel now on my back. While I'm singing, I begin to crawl out of the pile, a type of crawling that looks more like sliding, one little inch at a time. Until I'm out. And I slide into the water of the river and still singing. Rehydrating. I navigate the waters, and I am being transformed into an inspiring and empowering